Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, we have a great new contest for 2018, My Dream LTV. That's right, we're gonna allow you to design your own leisure travel van. We have 3 different categories with 3 different templates that you can download: a non-slide, a slide-out motorhome, and a wild card motorhome. We're giving you a blank canvas to design your dream LTV. Some great prizes. You can win a beautiful drone. It follows you, 4K video, fabulous. Great for RVing and being out in the wilderness, taking all those wildlife pictures. Plus, everybody gets to vote on which floor plan they like best. You could be the Michelangelo of the design RV industry. Make sure you enter the contest. I can't wait to see what you dream up.